Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is my review of Recog. Recog 2, I know, here's the backlog. This is what I know about Recog. It's been around in the UK since, what, for 3 years, right? So now it just came public and everyone in different countries are able to use Recog, right? So what I know about it is basically you invest money and then they pay you back your initial investment, either rolling in the ROI altogether or actually paying you back what you invested after the term is up. And the terms are basically here 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, and 20 days. The difference between these two is basically one's rolled in the ROI and the other one is returned on day 20th. Now, the plans that I have used for the short, this one pays hourly, this one pays 8.88% daily, this one pays 309% daily, this one payment turn is 180% ROI. It's a lump sum. This is the longest term. I like getting in and out, but it's a higher deposit. This one also has a higher deposit. This has a minimum deposit. You also have to look at the supported cryptocurrencies for each plan, which is Perfect Money, Dodge, and then Bitcoin Cash. Right now, I'm only using Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. For the lump sum, you can use Bitcoin, a whole bunch of supported currencies. For the fast one, there are basically only 3 supported currencies. I really like this one because it is on autopilot every hour. This one is on autopilot every day. So basically, you send investment, you click on what you want to invest. You select an investment, you need to pay attention to the minimum amount. The minimum amount right here, we have zero point 0.2 LC Litecoin, Perfect Money, $50, Bitcoin Cash. We have this, so you need to convert the Bitcoin Cash to whatever currency that you're in. You can use Google to do that. Dogecoin as well. If you have Dogecoin, you can flip your Dogecoin in Dash. So basically, you select a plan and you select a currency. Right now, I'm using Litecoin. I select my Litecoin in here and I put my wallet into Coinbase that I'm going to receive money to. And I save that. Once I save that, another form will pop up. You would copy that to send your cryptocurrency to through Coinbase. So I would copy whatever path they give me for Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, put it to my crypto wallet and put the minimum amount in or over amount. I put a little bit over because when you send this money, if it's a little bit under because the market's going up and down, if you send $100, it might be 95 or 98, depending how volatile the market is going up these cryptocurrencies. So I put in a little bit over, like a couple dollars over, to make sure that they get the amount. If they do not get the amount, you always contact support. Support is very responsive. Mwah, I love them right now. So support will respond back to you immediately. You'll either get refunded within an hour. The fastest I got refund was an hour. The slowest I got refund was 4 hours, but I was constantly in communication, and they also have a support ticket where you can create a ticket. Screenshot your screen. They give you a transaction number. Screenshot that, keep that. Make sure that when you send the money, you do not leave this page until it says confirmed transaction sent. If they do not send it, then contact support. So that's basically how you invest. You invest some money. Once you set it up and you set up your wallets, it's on autopilot. You just go and you set up your wallets and you save them. Right now, I've been using this since April 9th. I found out about this. So I've totally invested about $1,000. I got paid out 966 because I'm putting in 10 days, put more in. Then 10 days, put more in. I am constantly putting money in this sucker. So you can see this is where I started April 9th. I am not playing. I got more and it paid me back. Got more, paid me back. More, paid me back. I'm trying to compound. This is compounding. So only put in what you can afford to lose. Seriously. Only put in what you can afford to lose. If you don't know anything about moderator sites are the number one to go. Scam Scavenger, I check the scores on this. Check it every day, if not every 3 days, 7 days. These sites go up and down so quick. You need to stay on top of checking it. Recon Global, it's got a score of 37. 37 is all right. 20 to 40 is the green zone. You want to check the last comment to see when it was paying. The moderators have invested money into this site. If we go back, we're going to see the last comment. It's going all the way back to March 16, 2021. That's when they started investing into this. So the moderators have invested into Recon Global. You can see that they're doing it. They are getting paid. It's been 51 days. This is a fast come and go. We don't know how long this thing's going to last. But I'm riding it until the bus falls off and the wheels pop off, but I'm only going to lose my profit. I'm not going to lose my cash. So I'm doing the short term, 10 days. I can have my money in there for 10 days. Get in, get out. So that's it. If you go back to the moderators, instantmoderator.com, they actually have insurance of 1,500. They're paying started March 11th. A couple days before that, they're still at 51 days minimum spend. They put 1,500 for their investment, and they're still getting paid on it. I like it because it's auto withdrawal. Let's see, scam score is 37, HL index 7, 5 sparks. So this thing's starting to blow. When I started in here, the total investment was like $60,000. Total pay was like 15. This thing's starting to pump. So the good news is there's still like 244,000 to 81,000. That means it's good. It's not tipped over. If this was backwards, get out. If these numbers start becoming really even, it's going to shut down. They cannot support it. So basically, this place is from like UK. They've been around for 3 years in UK. They went public, and now everyone's getting hip to them. So I'm only using Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash with them to get in and out, share my money. If you have Dodge, you could do that and flip it. But Dodge is doing good on its own anyway. What else do I need to say about this? Okay, so here's my investment history. So you can see for ninth, $85, total paid, $38.49. So what I want to note in here is I put an investment in. This number fluctuates with the market. True. So I did not put $85. I put a number amount in, but the value of today of what the market is, these numbers change. So it's a one-to-one correlation to the value of what the market is. So if this goes down, this is going to go down, but they're still trading. They're trading on what the value of the investment is that day. So your money fluctuates with it. If it goes down, it's going to be lower. If it goes up, it's going to be higher. They're trading at that. It's not a fixed amount. So you could gain more, you could gain less. It depends on the market. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green statuses have been completed. $68, $108, $87, $144, $406, $75. This is my profit plus my return. And I'm going to go here to a sheet so you can see this better. This is what I put in. You can see it fluctuates. $61, $37. So I invested $61. My profit is $37. That's how much I got per day for 10 days. Put in $41. That's how much I got paid per day for 10 days. $25. I'm sorry, no, 20 days, because the first one I served was 20 days. And $61, my profit is $38. This is old, this is outdated, but I'm just showing you that investment, pay profit. I still have 4 more investment plans to go through with them that should expire in the next 15 days. I think I select the 15 plan. Litecoin, again, 65. You can see profit. So the only thing is when the hourly paid, this is an hourly investment. I put in 120, getting paid 60 cents per hour. 24 hours times 60 is what, 14? The total, what I put in 120, I'm getting back 145. That includes my original investment. Getting paid less, the longer plans, you get more profit, more percent, higher percent rate. You got it? So that's basically it. That's Recon. I'm going to put my link at the bottom. This sucker is paying. It is paying good. And I decided to ride it until it closes. But I'm only going to be playing with my profits from now on. So once these 2 plans go through, I'm playing with profit money. So I made $500. I'm going to play with that in here. If I lose it, I lost $500 that I made profit. Or I could play with half of it. But I'm trying to compound and get as much as I can back, because usually the fasts only last about 4 months. I lost my money in AxeTrader. I lost $180 in AxeTrader. I made $589 with this. I made my money back plus some. So you have to be careful with these. Only invest what you can afford to lose. And bank on it. These are 10-day, 15-day, 20-day terms. Your money has to sit there. You can't pull it out until 20, 15 days. 10, 20, 15. Those are your options. As long as it sits in there, I wouldn't pick in June. I would not pick a 20-day plan because it's already going into 4 months. So I'm going to pull back slowly at the end of May and start picking 10-day plans, because usually fast close in 4 months. If it continues to go, awesome. If it doesn't, I'm going to wait for a little bit. The good news is this is not toppling over and over. It's a huge gap in between these numbers. Support is responsive. There's a whole true chat group in Trello. They got a Trello group with a lot of people in there. It's paying. So I hope you guys make some money with this. I'm going to put my referral link at the bottom. Check these sites every day because people will complain, I didn't receive my money. And as soon as they start doing that, you need to don't invest anymore. Don't invest anymore. Don't do a break up your investments. Don't do a whole large, massive investment unless it's like, I wouldn't do a massive, large investment. I would break them up into smaller investments and wait to make sure that you get your ROI back and that you get your initial investment back before you start putting more things in. Now, I trust them right now at the 4 month mark, which would be around June. I don't know if I'll trust them. We'll see. But they've been great to me. They're paying. Have a good one. I hope you guys make some money from this.